ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಆದ್ಯ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಆಂಟಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮರೀದೆ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಈ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಫ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. So I'll be talking about Lord Shiva. Most of us perceive Lord Shiva as a destroyer, but have any of you understood the possibility that he is actually the transformer? Lord Shiva does not just destroy for the sake of destroying. He eliminates those souls that have already fulfilled their purpose on earth, that are moving on to a higher purpose. He destroys the physical body in order to enable the mental spirit to move on to the next stage where it can perform better this way. We all have faced hardships. ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿದೆ. But still, even during these hardships, though you might feel like breaking down, though you might feel like crying, like giving up, you must remember that Lord Shiva is giving these to you so you can become more powerful. But why would he give you these hardships when God could just make you happy instantly? To this I say, true happiness cannot be felt without true sadness. Only those who have felt that deep, heartfelt sadness can truly feel happiness. Because true happiness is unconditional happiness. The power to feel happy with nothing is what we are trying to achieve, which I shall explain with the means of a story. A devotee, a really learned scholar who studied the Vedas, the Puranas, the scriptures, who's argued over philosophy, goes up Mount Kailash to talk to Lord Shiva. He approaches him and says, Mahadev, I have studied the scriptures for years, yet I do not have peace of mind. I am not happy. Why is this? What am I seeking really? He waits for an answer. He waits for minutes, he waits for hours. But Lord Shiva doesn't say a thing. Finally, he asks, Mahadev, why aren't you answering my question? To this, Lord Shiva says, I just did. The man is confused, but you have said nothing. Lord Shiva smiles. Exactly. That is the answer. You seek an answer in words, but the greatest truths cannot be spoken. They can only be experienced. And the man understands the truth. He understands the power of silence, the power of meditation through which the greatest truths can be realized. After all, happiness cannot be sought in the outside world if you cannot seek it from within. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷನ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಹುಡ್ಕೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬರಬೇಕದು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.